ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. క్షమించాలి, కవిత 2019 ఇంగ్లీష్లో రాసింది. ఈ పోయం టైటిల్ వచ్చేసి హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ థాట్. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఆలోచించారా అనేటువంటి. హ్యావ్ యూ ఎవర్ థాట్ అబౌట్ ద బ్యూటిఫుల్ floral forests, the highest foggy white mountains, fresh air, water and green nature? Have you ever thought about the disappearing woods, increasing pollution and decreasing human lifetime? Have you ever thought about the weeping earth, crying rivers, roaring oceans and bothering birds and animals? Have you ever thought about the blood that we shed before, dying people because of wars and rising violence because of religions? Have you ever thought about the robbers who rob the poor, burdens of human relationships and polluted hearts of the people? Have you ever thought about the aims that we wanted to achieve, promises that we made for the world peace and the dreams that we had about the future? Thank you.